Hey dreamers, welcome back to the Canvas Whisper. They say peace isn't found, it's created. Line by line, breath by breath. Today, through this mandala, I want to paint calmness into chaos. Every curve, every pattern, every shade of green tells a story of growth, patience, and balance. So, let's create this space of stillness together. I start by outlining the flow of the design, letting my pen guide me instead of forcing control. Each stroke represents focus. If a line goes off, it's okay. That's the beauty of mandalas and Zentangle designs. Imperfection still creates a harmony. Once the base is done, I start adding patterns, petals, dots, and spirals. This is the moment when your mind quiets down. Every repeating shape becomes a heartbeat, every curve becomes a breath. This is what meditation through art feels like. For this piece, I chose shades of emerald green and teal, colors that remind me of renewal and balance. I begin by filling alternate layers, keeping rhythm between the dark and the light. Notice how just a little green can change the entire mood, soft, alive, and grounding. I add black ink in some spaces to balance the brightness of green. Light and dark together makes the artwork complete. Just like life, the contrast adds strength to softness, it gives meaning to the color. As I feel the last dots, I realize this pattern is more than design. It's a mirror of patience. Mandalas and centangles remind us that peace isn't about silence, it's about focus. This artwork to me is a small celebration of stillness. If you felt calm while watching this, that's the real art. Try drawing your own mandala. Don't need to be perfect, just be present. If you enjoyed this mindful painting session, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in comments what color brings peace to your mind. See you in my next video. Until then, keep painting and keep whispering. Bye.